The supports in schools, they are not getting, sir. Remediation by special educator and all for the early dyslexia symptoms, they are not getting, sir, in the school.
Okay. So you're the only speech therapist?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Within a month, you have to use it.
How many occupational therapists you have?
Dr. Aparna.
Sir, you carry on.
How many occupational therapists are there?
अरे तुम्ही थांबा रे जरा.
Manage, no?
Yeah, that's right. We have to manage.
Madam, ऐसा है sensory. Okay, next. Sensory. Speech therapy.
Your shoes, don't walk with the shoes.
Now who's our staff?
Siddhi, sir.
Tell me.
Siddhi, brief HM about the patient of learning relatives for
Your
occupational therapy boys.
so how many you have now? Like her, how many you have now?
4, sir. 4. For the bond? Regular. Total count only. 4 and 4, 8. 4 physios, 4 OTs, 1 speech.
But now space wise, okay, you need only more staff. Doctors,
So, me and Dr. Sushila, sir. So she case of
Disability
epilepsy.
assessment एक दी तो लगे
No, sir. Because there is a lot of overload now, sir. Every day we are giving cases. Otherwise, Zaina manage Zaina. So on an average, आता सध्या पण बघायला 100 to 150 IPHB cases असतात referral. So between the two of us, we are splitting the patients. This is just the administration office. That.
So this is a one under for pediatrics. This thalassemia babies come with a big
Breakfast comes early, sir. They come after 9.
How difficult it is for you to get? Yeah, they should not be asked to get from out.
Even if we got this,
No, this is thalassemia. This cannot be touched.
see, we are sharing it. We've got that curtain sharing. Don't worry, 2 hours.
We will assess whatever the physiology and normal purpose area, whatever we have said. We will order the issue. And so we said children have to be taken care of. And only my worry is that what are the reasons why we can put them in SFB? Sister? Come in. Who's on you? In Ladies wards, one sister has to be here round the clock. So how many nurses are there? Doctor, I'll come with you in 5 minutes.
Sister, all Dr. Prashant, no? These are mostly involved with this.
Where is that doctor?
सही से कहीं क्या सही से कहीं क्या मजा मजा हाँ आता है
किसको बंद करो
दरवाजा बंद करो.
Other one unit is okay.
Prezela kape, chukti kape. That you know, necessarily the ward like this, how we keeping is not present. Space management, or whether there is space on the other side. Are you running short?
So we are always running short. And in you 4 we are keeping 2 papers, babies on 1 grader.
What is here?
Sir, come. This is the step down NIC. So these are the stable babies. Yeah, it's not recommendation.
Why?
So we have chance.
Doctor. Not you, doctor. Rajesh Patil.
Sorry, sir.
This is not acceptable. डॉक्टर हांवें तुजे पावरान एसी लावन घेवपाक हांगा डिनाचे पावरान एसी लावन घेवपाक एसी लावन घेवूंक जाय कित्याक एसी लावन ना बट दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक टू पुट एसी हाउ मच इज द पावर्स दीज पावर्स आर टू डू इट दिस हैज टू बी डन फिनिश इट दिस वीक हाउ मेनी एयर कंडीशनर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड नॉट मोर देन 2 दिस हैज टू बी डन दिस वीक हांव येवंक जाय आनी मागीरूच हांवें डिसिजन घेवन मागीर कसलें डिसिजन जालें हांव मनीस हाडटाय बट विल यू एबल टू पुट इट अप वेन द बेबीज आर
So we will have to remove the
I'll send somebody you can't put the babies like this
No, we move them inside. Yes. So most of these babies have been sick, but they are recovering now. So they are
no this can't be this has to be done today I'm sending a person today doctor you will personally make sure that this AC is installed I'll put it up it cannot run like this
So mothers do kangaroo mother care. So even on regulatory support, we are doing PMC. As a part of developmentally supported care. So this baby is a very small 840 gram of 32 liters. Mother is doing PMC. This is also another really great 90 years. Mother is doing kangaroo. So it depends on the gestation. So on the gestation, so if they are more than 20 to 26 liters, they are okay. 25 liters still we do not issue.
see all this is the air conditioning
AC is under repair, sir. It's not been working. He actually was discharged and was there. So we had a hospital recommendation came and stabilized. So we have one all the time. Plus there is one more. Plus 2 senior residents inside.
the air conditioner doctor is not working doctor how many sector the AC लावून घ्या
We can provide mobility. 2 of these.
you need more
We need more.
whole area actually air conditioning this whole area what back up because you got to I don't know what is happening there but when you take out the giraffe what do you call it
Giraffe incubator.
incubators आम्ही ते मी envelope
Yeah, but so that one cannot be opened. This can be opened if you have to incubate in separate direction. So we also have lamina sterile therapy we do so that we ensure that the fluid status of the babies are sterile. That's how the nurses, big gown, cap mask, everything, and they go inside and
with the present staff you are able to manage all the small
so we always have staff constraints. So sometimes in NMU 4 there is one staff managing 15 to 20 babies. So that they are working on it.
तू किती करते बजेट नाही Here this will ask Shavil, he will come and meet you. Just give him the money and ask him to put the ACs here. Stand by. Very important. This whole area where the kids are has to be academic. And you cannot leave it in that type of, it will depend on the procedure and you will be stuck. The kids can't be put under such. They require temperature controlled environment.
Yeah.
Am I right?
So,
They-
is the kids
And
the
also
equipment
she
also?
requires a giraffe incubator. Giraffe incubator as a inside a note today. You just find out the assessment. Actually this basically small kids whatever. Me to hello. Basically the small kids are. What do you use of that power? You are not able to buy 1 acre.
No, it's like up to you to do. Then the mistake. The age of 49 years.
No, I didn't see.
Yeah, 49 years. He died.
Okay.
There's treatment. You only think AC problem.
किती आहे?
AC problem.
AC करता ना आयसच
आणि
करता.
काहीच नाही ट्रीटमेंट बरं दिला बाळ आता मातशें इम्प्रूव जाला बाकी बरें आसा
ना AC आयसच करता.
विजीट आयज केली GMCन कितें
ना विजीट केले म्हणजे ते आयज आमी आमचे तृप्ती मनेरकर फैजल अरावजो मागीर आमचे डॉक्टर मेघनी पाध्ये राजेश पाटील उदय काकोडकर
सर.
हांव मुद्दम आयला इतलेच खातीर की एक डिपार्टमेंट सरप्रायज चॅक करून सामान्य जनतेचे जिवनान कितें परिवर्तन आमी करूं शकता अशें भाशण आनी घोशणा न्हू तेजे अक्षरशः आयज आमी NICU हांगा भितर गेल्ले पळोवपाक की काय AC चलना ते आतां CSRचे अंडर हांव ताबडतोब AC तांकां चेंज करपाक लायला आतां मनीस धाडटलो तांकां जितकी AC जाय तितके लावन घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो मेन म्हणजे ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी सामान्य मनशेच्या जिवनान कशें परिवर्तन आमी करूं शकता आनी ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीर कितें करूं शकता हें रँडम चॅकींग जाल्यार मागीर आमी सिस्टमेटली आमचें खंय चुकता आमचें खंय कितें सारकें जाग्यार येना तें आमकां डॉक्टराची टीम घेवन आमी योग्य तरेन फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न हें कितें आहा तें हेका बायट बी दिवपाची गरज ना हें आमचें काम आनी हें काम करपाकूच आयलो हांव